Okay, so I got two kinds of grass. I got grass that looked like this, I got grass that looked like this. There's something really, really seriously wrong with your thinking if you drew one of those. What could be wrong with one of these?
The one like this, it has a force increasing despite it being separated.
Okay, does that happen?
Not usually.
No, the further the magnets are apart, the less force. You measured it with the balance, you saw what happened, you felt it, right? You know darn well this doesn't happen, but, you know, I think 80% of you drew this. Okay? How could you do that? Well, think to yourself. I don't need the answer. I'm not sure I want to know. Because you've actually analyzed this, you know, for lab, and I see that I'm going to have to ask for some more analysis. Okay. Yes. I'll take your head. Okay. Make sense? That was totally done. Now, I said, just, you know, sit down and slop it down, right? I didn't say slop down something that's totally not intuitive and wrong, did I? No, but, you know, I didn't give you time to really think it through, but you shouldn't have had to. Okay? Now, this is really kind of important because you know, just a personal, you know, I saw graphs that looked like this for the energy or stuff like, you know, in terms of potential energy of an object in articulation with another gravitational object, okay? I didn't really understand what I was seeing. You know, partly, you know, I was developmentally slow. I hadn't had a pre-calculus course. I had to figure out pre-calculus in the process of taking calculus. And there were some things I missed, like, that, okay? When I finally saw it, I just, you know, kind of, but that was, you know, 40 years later or something. Okay, so I understand how you could get this wrong, but this is really important to understand, okay? There's a specific type of function that goes with this, not for the magnets, okay? For the magnets, in any short interval, there's a power function that fits it pretty well, okay? In the next little short interval, that power changes. It's just like you have a progressively changing power function, okay? Now I don't want to go too much deeper into that for a lot of reasons. Like I'm not quite even sure what to do with it. How do you integrate the thing if the power keeps changing? Something that I would love to be able to sit down and think about, you know, define this function, you know, continuously changing power function, and investigate its properties if I had time. Okay, so anyhow, that's what you've got, okay? So what kind of function, if I just wrote this down and said that's a power function, what kind of a power function could that possibly be?